Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to look at the 1TG Tactical XR 3D fully breathable vest. Now, this thing is really awesome, guys. It offers an awful lot. One of the things that I think is different in this tactical vest than any other is the quick release mechanism right here in the center. And basically what it does, it has cables that are running all the way up to the top here, and this connection, and then you have a connection here with a cable and here. It allows you to push on the right side just to disconnect your right side of the whole rig and take it off. Push on the left side, it's going to disconnect the left side. Pull the rig off, go in the center, and the whole thing disassembles. Where that's really helpful is if you have an injury or something, you need to get this off quickly, you just simply will push the buttons and it's out of your way. So you can treat wounds or whatever it is that you need to do. So this actually works with ballistic plates. The very front will do a 9.5 by 12.5. The very back is going to be a 10 by 12, and they just simply open with Velcro at the bottom and your plates can slide in and then close back. Now that can be small arms ballistic plates. It can also be airsoft plates. So if you like airsoft, you can use those type plates in this as well. So one of the other things I really like is the MOLLE system. It is all over this front, back, everywhere, where you can put all types of holders on here for ammunition, for supplies, anything that you need to carry in a tactical unit, you can carry on this really easily. I also like the fact that the pads on the top are very padded, so it's a really comfortable rig, because a lot of these I've seen are not really very comfortable. They're really kind of a pain to wear, and that's why a lot of times guys don't wear them. So it is very comfortable. It even has loops and mollies at the top, so you can put things like radios and things like that up on the top. I really like that. I like the padding all the way around. Now this is made with 1000D nylon. So it is made the same type of material that they make tents and outdoor equipment. So it is made to be able to weather the elements, and it's going to last a long time. Now, size-wise, this is made to fit waist 35 to 43 and chest 35 to 45. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring you in a little closer. I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you get it, how you put it together, and how you adjust it. So let's do that. Alright guys, so when you get it, it's going to come in a box like this. You're just simply going to open it, take it outside of the plastic, and set it on the table. Now they have a lot of interesting little tags here you'll want to read. It's going to come in a front piece and the back piece, just like this. Now another thing I meant to mention earlier, guys, it has a really nice handle for picking it up and moving it. But also if you get hurt yourself and somebody needs to drag you out of the way, they can grab this to drag you. I think that's pretty awesome. Now the straps are going to come just like this. So the first thing I would do is pull it over here, and we're going to put the straps on. So undo this. This is simply just going to clip. Here it's magnetic, just like that. And we're going to do the same thing here. Now I'm opening up this part of the strap. You'll see why in just a second. So they're there. Now I'm going to take the back, and you have the little D-ring here area. And we just simply push this through. I use the little strap piece here to pull that they have at the end. And I'm going to leave mine down a ways because I'm a little bit bigger guy. But you can go all the way up. So you can adjust this quite a bit. Same thing here. I'm going to take it, put it in, and I'm going to get it about the same spot. I have that one very close. Actually, let's go to just a little, right there. So now those are hooked up. Now bring it back around. And to do the fronts, all you simply do is these slide in the same way. You hear it clip. Same thing here. Clip. That easy. It is put together. Now, to adjust the cummerbund, which is the bottom part here, this part will take you a few minutes. If you do not watch this and you don't know what it is that you're trying to do, this is Velcro. You're going to take and pull this up. And when you pull it up, you're going to see that both of these ends are Velcroed. and they go in wherever you need to put them, and this is Velcroed, so you can lock everything into place. I can put it wherever I need to put it to get it right, and then close it. Now I'm pretty well ready for myself. Now if you've got this on and this needs to be adjusted, somebody else can go behind it and adjust it for you, unless you just want to pull it off like I just did and do it yourself. All right, guys, so that's it. Putting it together is extremely easy and extremely quick. Now, I have already hit the button on the right side to open up the belt. The way I like to put it on is leave my straps on the top, slide it over my head, reach over, grab the belt. Remember, it's just magnetic, and clamp it into place. Push that little bit of fabric over so it's comfortable on my side, and then it's perfect. Now it is protecting my upper torso where all my vital organs are at, which is what you're looking for in a tactical type unit. And remember, I can put everything here. I can have the mic for my radio. I can have extra rounds and clips of ammo. I can have a safety kit on one side. I can have lights. I can do all kinds of things. There's a ton of room in the back as well. So overall, guys, I think this thing is awesome. If I was going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because I think it's made to last a long time, extremely durable, and I love the little speed clip in the front. And let me show you just how fast this comes off. And I'm going to hit the middle one so it all comes apart. That quick, and it is off. Truly, truly amazing. So if you're looking for a good tactical unit, do yourself a favor, grab yourself one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next one.